Introducing the 2023 Kia Soul. With less than 55,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Drive your own unique sense of style in this iconic Soul, the spirited subcompact crossover SUV that's daringly different. With a super spacious interior that excels at hauling people and cargo, touchscreen infotainment, and a host of available options, you'll be poised for fun and adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, backup camera, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Feel inspired to express your unique sense of style in this eye-catching Soul. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.